Speaking of the bedside table, my God, Will, Pixel 5 has been driving me nuts
Really?
on the bedside table.
So you use it. That's your daily driver right now, right?
Yeah, Pixel 5 I'm still using. I've switched to the iPhone. Today's my last day.
Oh, okay.
I know I said in the video, it's always... The thing about switching phones, and people get fed up with it, they're like it's a meme or whatever, you actually got to switch your phone.
Yeah, everything. All the data,
And believe
the
it or not,
apps,
that's
everything.
actually what started the facepalm thing, was just, it's almost me saying, here we go again, switching phones. And people, the juxtaposition of the excitement around a new phone and the facepalm convinced people to click. But in reality, it's like, if you switch phones every 5 minutes, it's actually, there's some work to it.
Yes.
As opposed to the excitement around switching phones once a year or once every couple of years or whatever it happens to be. So anyway, but it's a bit of fun. Look, it's YouTube. YouTube is weird. YouTube science is weird. We're all doing bizarre things as thumbnail scientists and trying to get you humans who watch this to keep watching things. Mm-hmm. It's a whole game, and it appears to be the only way to do it for the time being. Anyways, getting back to the Pixel 5, which I have been using, today will be the last day. Not that there's anything wrong with the Pixel 5. The camera, I love the camera.
Oh.
I was at the pumpkin patch, picking the pumpkins. Man, what a day that was! Beautiful, a fall day. Pumpkins spread everywhere. You know, orange pumpkins.
Oh yeah.
They even had yellow pumpkins, and an outdoor market. So it was a little. I mean, you had the mask and everything, but it's kind of like sort of normal a little bit. You were still distanced and all this, but
you get to choose your own pumpkin.
You choose your pumpkin.
Yeah.
And there's different sizes, and it's interesting. The pumpkin choice, the shape you go for, it's all interesting. And the kids were carving, and
yeah,
it's a time. Anyhow, I snap a few photos, and I'm like, damn that Pixel, jeez, those pumpkins. I had a pumpkin moment on the Pixel.
Yeah.
Pixel pumpkin.
So what were you ranting about at the beginning of this?
Yeah, I know. You want to get back to the get back to the problem. Okay, so here's the problem. I love everything about the Pixel. It's great. It's a little small compared to the phones I've been using, but I kind of got used to it. However, this is such a weird problem that I encountered, and I realized I thought I was going to be the only one to talk about it because I'm like, well, this is such a niche thing. If you have the Pixel stand, which is the official Pixel charger, wireless charger for the bedside, which I had from previous generation Pixel, it has special features in it that other wireless chargers don't. It can plug into your assistant, and you can have your phone read the room to see if the room is dark, so then it will turn off the screen. It's kind of like a smarter wireless charger, Pixel stand. However, it's messed up with the Pixel 5. It works, but not really. And I'll tell you the problem right now. They're calling it Insomnia on Android police. The problem is there's a feature, there's a setting where you tell the screen to turn off when it's docked, assuming you want to sleep and you want the room to be dark. You just toggle this little button that says, turn the screen off when it's docked and charging. Well, that works for 1 hour, about 1 hour, at which point the screen comes on blazing, full blast brightness. And I'll get up sometimes. I'll be like, what the? And it's the phone.
Yeah.
And it woke back up. And it's happened to me so many times that I just take it off the charger and place it face down.
What is it? The lock screen?
The lock screen full blast. This is going to how bright it is depend on your background and things like this. But it's bright enough in the room. You're like, whoa.
Right after an hour, it does that?
Apparently. I never timed it, but they say in this that it's an hour. And they haven't patched it. They didn't fix it. So you turn the toggle on so that won't happen, but the toggle doesn't work. There's no bedtime on this phone when it's on a wireless charger. So you end up not using the charger. It's a little warning for people. I'm sure they'll patch it and fix it, but it is a weird, unexpected problem. The Pixel 5 has insomnia.